Visualize. I'll do one thing. You turn around. Okay? Guys, don't look at her. Yeah. You're talking to me now. Tell me. I know. It's okay. There's no problem. You're doing fine. You just imagine talking to me now. Just imagine there's nobody else in this room.
Mitrang ba ka jalaw Conrad ke sangma ulasung hun ka Mynsiem Jrut bat pu samdaki hadin ba ka Jingkular jing yagi Khynnah skur ka paimau house name ajar puar kala Urlong mentak sngi. Mitrang ba lo pri ya ka jakasa ni boarding building ka paimau ka belatai thmai crack ha ka jindon lang tri ka tanat pri puti ba la kemen rembui. Ya ka ni ka jakasa ki Khynnah Conrad ulakulal house name ajar puar hakba ulai jingo ba raya thu dagi Khynnah baki tenum kilapei be jau kam habaslap kabrakta ya ke Mynsiem yang bat hukum dum dam bantau no dak bathamai habkren ha jingpli ya ke jaga sa ki Khynnah skur Conrad ong ba kelap nolong ban singu kemen ban yo I ba ka Jingkular kala ulong bat ka bakham seuk ta Mynsiem bat ya shu kalong ban yo ban ya kendu ya bat ya kren ya ki Khynnah skur ki brau ya kren house day usnem hakani ke sengiu la pelai ru ia ke sinjam ke bai ke teng she thrive badai ka kor ban su ia ke jan so poi bana ke kentai ulai keren ru bagi Khynnah skur bat seneng bagi dai ban put jingmut ban pen kre ban yang halagi jong ke kijat namara batang ke kam sekal kamla ban ai kam lot ya baro
Individual that he will help you, but you have to work hard. You have to keep smiling, and you have to do your responsibility in life.
It's the same question, or a similar question, but again, as I said that sometimes I do wind off, I do switch off, I listen to music a lot, I do you know that, right? Sometimes I play the guitar also, and I get bored, though I'm not that good at it. So you should enjoy. You should do things that make you feel good, you know, the things that make you relax. So I think it's very important to have that kind of a hobby in life. So find your hobby, do things that disconnect you from the rest of the world, and that's how you refresh yourself. Okay? Thank you for her question, whatever it is. Even complain, if she has a complaint, but I request her, don't shout at me, okay? If you complain also, ask nicely. You have a suggestion? You give your name. Nervous? Take a breath. Just don't look at them. Imagine they're not here.
My name is Padesha. I am from class B. All I wanted to ask is, when life feels tough and you feel useless, how do you...
It's okay. Just relax. I'll do one thing. You turn around, okay? Guys, don't look at her. Yeah, you're talking to me now. Tell me. I know, it's okay. It's okay. There's no problem. You're doing fine. You just imagine talking to me now. Just imagine there's nobody else in this room. There you go. You're fine now. Yeah, it's okay. Let us speak. It's okay. She'll be fine. Tell me. How do I get that? Tell her. There we go. Let's give her a round of applause. She was excellent. She is asking that when things get tough, and when there is no hope, how do you get yourself up? So this is a very, very important question. Again, there is no right answer that will fit everybody. But I think it goes back to basic principles in life. And that, as I said in the beginning itself, is that when you are doing something that you truly believe in, And when you're doing something that you're truly passionate about, you don't give up because you know that you want to do it no matter what. For me, every single person that comes to meet me is a new person. And I know that maybe somewhere I can help the person. And therefore, so I may be tired and down, but the desire and the passion to serve makes me energetic and up again. So the answer to your question is believe in yourself. That is the way to move forward in life. Okay? You have a question? Okay.
Is always follow what you believe. Always follow your passion. Always ensure that you set a goal for your life. But most importantly, always continue and be consistent.
Transformation of education industry. And I'm not wrong to say that things are moving in the right direction.